So most of the questions I get a lot of time for those of you who are new into trading. A lot of you are considering whether you want to go into forex trading. Some of you have the opinion whether you want to do crypto trading. And a lot of you want to do binary trading. And one thing I've noticed in all of these different choices is that many of you don't understand what the differences are. But one thing I need you to know is that there is this one skill that you need to be able to excel in any of these ones that you want to go into. Whether you want to do forex, binary trading, or crypto trading, you need one particular skill. And that skill is what we call technical analysis. Okay, technical analysis is simply understanding the movements on the chart, right? To be able to read charts, to be able to interpret candles, why the candles are red, what causes the reversal, if there will be a rejection, and all of that. This is exactly what you need. And with technical analysis, you will be able to go into any market of your choice. You'll be able to trade any currency of your choice with this singular skill acquired. And that is why, guys, we have put together a step-by-step technical analysis training that will help you become a pro trader, so that if you master technical analysis and you want to go into, let's say you want to trade crypto, you want to trade forex, you want to trade indices, you want to trade commodity, whatsoever you want to trade, okay, whatsoever currency pair you want to trade, with this particular scale, you will be able to do that with ease. All right. So instead of staying out there and then wondering whether you should start with crypto, or you should start with forex, or you should start with binary trading, please go and acquire knowledge. Okay, go and acquire knowledge. And just for a limited time only, we are giving out this course with over 60% discount. I think more than 60% discount actually, right? Just for now alone. This course actually teaches you everything you need to know about technical analysis from beginner's level to advanced level. Even if you're a pro trader, there are a lot of things I bet you that you don't understand. And one thing you can do is you can go through the curriculum right here to see exactly what you'll be learning in this course, and you can go ahead and take advantage of this right now. This course is going right now on sale, and we're giving it out with almost 70% discount. So what you need to do is to hurry right now and get this course. And one of the things that comes with this is that you get access to 1 year mentorship. So if you buy this course, we're going to add you to a private group where we are going to mentor you for the next 1 year. Meaning, after going through the pre-recorded videos on this course, if there is anything you don't understand, you can always reach out to us, okay, and we'll be there to actually schedule a one-on-one meeting with you to let you know. We can even help you actually partition your portfolio management to help you excel in this space. All right. So instead of asking where do I start from, forex, crypto, or binary, what you should be asking of, or what you should be working towards, is acquiring a technical analysis skill. When you know how to analyze the chart, when you know when to buy and when to sell, when to enter the market and when to exit the market, you will be able to use this to trade any market of your choice. You'll be able to use this to trade whether forex, crypto, binary, and all of that. All right. For instance, if I go ahead and say that I want to trade, let's say Euro USD. All right, I can go ahead and search. Right now, where it says symbol search, you can see that if I want to trade stock, I can search about stock, I can search about forex futures, crypto, indices, bonds, a lot of things, right? Anything that actually has to do with trading that you need to do technical analysis on, you can actually do that with this singular skill, right? So instead of wondering whether you want to start with forex and all of that, why not acquire the skill, and then you can use this skill to trade any market of your choice. All right, so hurry right now and get this course at a discounted rate before we actually increase the price. All right, and the beauty is that you can actually pay with any currency of your choice, right? If I go here, you can pay in naira. If you're in Nigeria, you can pay with pounds, you can pay with any of these different currencies that you see right here. Okay, so hurry before we actually change the price to what it used to be. I'll see you guys on the inside.